let's do a walkthrough. But this house had flooded, and before I got here, it looked like this. So what I had to do is patch everything from 2 feet down and match the texture on the walls. When I was here, I put up crown molding, scraped popcorn ceilings, fixed all the cracks. There was a bunch of cracks in the walls and the corners, just several cracks. I forgot how many, I think like 30 something. I did the crown molding in here. I did not caulk it, however. Oh yeah, this room doesn't have lights. But show me the line where they cut the sheetrock and put the fans in to draw the moisture out of the walls. They're still painting it. More crown molding. I scraped this popcorn ceiling and skimmed it, retextured it. This was skip-trowel. I sanded the skip-trowel down. Now that's getting a cabinet there, but I sanded the skip-trowel down. It was all over the ceiling and walls with a belt sander, and then I skimmed over it and textured it to match the rest of the house. Put in a shower. The niche. And this house is almost ready to be moved back in as soon as they finish up the painting, a few other little things. They put in new cabinets. I painted the kitchen cabinets. Go in there. Painted the bathroom cabinets. Sprayed them. And I painted the kitchen cabinets. And they wanted 1x4 crown in here to match the cabinets. And I am out of here. I like very little. I gotta put a piece of crown molding up there. And that's just about it. A couple little patches that showed up that I'm going to do. I already got them taped. And I'm out of here. This one's fixing to be in the rear view mirror. Say hi, Jack. Hi, Jack.
Hello, fans.